Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to install Snapchat on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search and click on keyboard and search Snapchat app. If you want to install Snapchat app, click on Snapchat app and click on here showing you install. Click on install. You will see your Snapchat app is installed according to your internet connection. After install Snapchat app, you will see app is showing on your home app screen and app library. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Snapchat app on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.